So, welcome students. How are you students? Today students we will have lecture number 47, same exercise 12.3 and chapter areas related to circles. So I hope students you have watched previous videos and in previous video we have completed question number 10 or 11 also. Now we have taken question number 12 from 12.3. So be ready, give attention and read question carefully from your book. So here students we have a diagram. OACB is a quadrant of circle whose center is O and radius OA is equal to 3.5 centimeter, where OD is 2 centimeter, and we have to find first area of quadrant OACB. It means we have to find area of quadrant, and second we have to find area of this shaded portion. So from figure students, you know, OD is equal to 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter, whereas OA is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and you know OA is equal to OB is equal to radius. So first of all students, we will try to find area of quadrant. Here, you know, in case of quadrant, this is 90 degree always. In circle, a circle consists of 4 quadrants. So here there are 2 ways to find area of quadrant. Number 1, using formula area of sector. Number 2, 1/4th part of area of circle. So here students, first of all, area of quadrant OACB is equal to 1/4th part of area of circle pi r square. So we will use this formula. Quadrant is a 4th part of circle, therefore the area of this quadrant is equal to 1/4 into pi r square. 1/4 using pi 22/7 multiplied radius is here 3.5 square. So now students, we will write 1/4 into 22/7 multiplied by 3.5 into 3.5. Okay students, so here after simplification 7 5 ja, that is 0.5, 2 2 ja 4, 2 11 ja, it means in numerator 11 into 3.5 multiplied by 0.5, and in denominator only 2 is there. Now multiply this, 11 multiplied by 1.75, if 35 5 ja upon 2. So here students you can have after dividing by 2, 11, it becomes 5.5 into 17 sorry students, this is not 17, it is 1.75, and if we multiply it, we get 1.75 multiplied by 5.5, I think, and similarly again by 5, 5 7 8, 5, totally 9.625, 9.625 centimeter square. So students, again check it. If we multiply 5.5 into 1.75, so we get 9.625. Okay students. So now this is the area of quadrant. Okay. So students, write down this. So now students, we will find area of, write down here, the area of quadrant is 9.625 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find area of triangle students. We have the triangle ODB या OBD. So now area of triangle OBD is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. 1 upon 2, it can be written as base is OB and height you can write OD. So 1 upon 2 into OB is radius, OB is 3.5 and OD is 2. To cancel out, it means 3.5 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. Now we have to find area of shaded region. Thus, area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle OBD. Now putting the values, area of quadrant is here 9.625 minus area of triangle is 3.5, and after subtracting I think we get 5 to 1.6 centimeter square. So this is your answer, students. So I have finished the solution of this question. So we have calculated area of quadrant and area of shaded region. So now write down. So students, here we have again new question. Question number 14 is there, and in this question we have two concentric circles. Arc AB and CD. AB and CD are arcs of two concentric circle. Concentric means number of circles having same center of radius. Radius 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. AOB is 30 degree. AOB is 30 degree. Find the area of shaded region. We have to find the area of shaded region. Students, here we have arc of two circles of radius 7 centimeter and 21 centimeter. So see students, here this is the nothing but students, in the continuation of lecture we have 14th question of 12.3. In this question the two arc of concentric circles are given. The radii of these circles is 7 centimeter and 21 centimeter, and angle COD or AOB is 30 degree. Find the area of shaded region. So students, in this question we have to find the area of this portion, shaded region. Okay, and from diagram we have had two sectors. First OAB, bigger sector or big circle sector, and OCD is small sector. So to find the area of this segment, this shaded region, we will write area of shaded region is equal to area of big sector minus area of small sector. You know, big sector is OAB and small sector is OCD. Using formula pi r square theta upon 360, pi r square theta upon 360. Here for big sector radius is capital R, which is 21 centimeter, and for small sector the radius is 7 centimeter. So we will put the values here. Pi theta upon 360 we take common, which are remaining r square minus capital R square minus small r square. Putting the value, theta is 30 degree upon 360, 21 square minus 7 square. After simplification, here 30 12 ja. Again we write 22 upon 7 into 12 into 28 into 14. After simplification, 4 3 ja 12 and 4 7 ja 28, 7 2 ja 14. Students, here you can write, there is a correction. We can have, so students, 21 square minus 7 square. So in this case we apply formula a square minus b square, a square minus b square, and that is a plus b, a minus b. So 21 plus 7, 28, and 21 minus 7, 14. And after simplification, 22 into 7 into 2 upon 3. So we have had 7 multiplied by 44 upon 3. It becomes 308 upon 3 centimeter square as answer. So I think students you have got it how to solve, and first read question carefully. As you know, this is applied for every question, the given things and formula. So this is the solution of 14th question. Write down. So students, now we have another important question. This question is also based on quadrants and semicircle studied. So students, in this diagram, first of all, you will read question. ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. Okay students, and a semicircle whose BC is a diameter. So first students, think about ABC. So this is a quadrant of circle whose radius is 14 centimeter. Okay, but with this quadrant, a semicircle is attached. Semicircle means whose BC is a diameter, and this is a semicircle where BC is diameter of circle. And if we give the name of this point as O, then O is center of semicircle. So students, this diagram should be very clear that we have a quadrant A, B, C, and we have BMC is a semicircle whose center is O, and BC is a diameter of semicircle. Okay. So now we have to find the area of solid portion. So students, first of all, we will try to find BC, the length of diameter. So in triangle ABC, which is no right angled triangle, and here AC and AB both are equal. It means this is right angle isosceles triangle. Okay. So using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. In this hypotenuse is BC square, where perpendicular is 14 square and also base is also 14. So it becomes 196 plus 196, and if we add this 392 centimeter. So now students, wait. So now students, we can write this BC is equal to under root 392, or BC is equal to 14 root 2 centimeter. So radius of semicircle is equal to 14 root 2 upon 2, that is 7 root 2 centimeter. So students, this is the radius OC. OC is equal to 7 root 2 centimeter. So okay students, now write this 7 root 2. So now we will find area of semicircle. Here thus area of semicircle is equal to pi r square upon 2, here 1 upon 2 pi 22 upon 7, or 7 root 2 centimeter, where this small r is the radius of semicircle. तो 1/2 into 22/7 into 7 into 7 into 2. 7 into 7 and root 2 is 2. 7 cancel out, 2 cancel out. Now we can write 154 centimeter. Okay. Again now area of quadrant. Now students, we will find area of quadrant, and you know area of quadrant is 1/4 into pi r square. Which quadrant? Area of quadrant A, B, C. So 1/4 pi 22/7 radius area of quadrant. We are changing the value of r, where the area of quadrant, the radius is capital R. For students, remember, for semicircle radius is small r and small r is equal to 7 centimeter. But for quadrant we have had radius 14 centimeter, which is capital R. So 1/4 20/7 into capital R. Capital R is 14 square. 1/4 into 22/7 into 14 into 14. 7 2 ja 14. Now 2 2 ja 4. 2 11 ja 21, and 2 cancel out. So finally we have 11 multiplied by 14, and okay, we have only 11 into 14. So it becomes 154 centimeter square. So area of quadrant and area of semicircle both are same. So now students, we will write here area of semicircle is equal to 154 centimeter square, and area of quadrant is again 154 centimeter square. Both are same. Now we will find area of this triangle. So okay students, I hope you have written it. Ready? Area of triangle ABC. Formula 1/2 into base into height. So students, 1/2 base and height both belongs to 14 centimeter for this triangle. 2 7 ja 14. I think 98 centimeter square. Thus right students, so now students, finally we have area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus under bracket area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABC. So think about student this formula. We have to find area of this region. So we should have a semicircle, and in this semicircle we should subtract the area of this portion, and to find area of this portion, it means a segment, we should subtract area of triangle from area of quadrant. Now area of semicircle is 154 centimeter square minus under bracket area of quadrant is 154 centimeter square minus area of triangle is 98 centimeter square. So now students, 154 minus 154 minus 98, then 6 26. So now students, I think this is wrong. 14 minus 9, 5, 56. So we can write here 154 minus 56, and that is 98 centimeter square is the answer. Okay students, so this is the final answer, and important question. You should watch the video 1 or 2 times and understand the question, the language of question, and how can be solved. There are second way to solve this. The way is that first find area of semicircle, then find area of this segment, and subtract area of this segment from area of semicircle. You will get area of shaded region. So there are many ways to find solution, and I think this one is better for you. So see and write solution. So okay students, I hope you have read it. So now complete this full video and solve some more questions based on these solutions from your book NCERT as well as R.S. Agarwal book. So okay students, and we will meet with the new chapter in new lecture. So be ready, keep watching videos, and if you like it, subscribe the channel, and okay students, take care of yourself. Thanks.